I've not gone anywhere that has a Korean night uh, over at any restaurant. Usually it's either a Korean restaurant and they just call this food, right? I've not been to a fake place, you know, that kind of mimics the food. But I think it's all done. I'm gonna chop it up though. Let that sit down there for a second. I'm gonna go get my chopping board. And but let me bring it to you. You know, let me bring it to you. That's the uh, that's the Korean barbecue, right? Um, yeah, they're using the wrong meat. They're using the wrong meat, and these are not overcooked. These are good to go. Um, but let me give you a close up. Awesome. Let me go ahead and chop one up. It just came off, so it's like super hot. It's super hot. But usually I'll let it kind of rest a little bit. And I think I will because it's super hot. Maybe I'll do this one. Now they're thin, right? Oh man, dude. And that's what I mean. It's medium. That's a medium right there. That's medium. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and take one apart here. See that? Still pink. Still pink inside. They're thin, but they're pink. Good God. Mm. 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 It's not jerky. This ain't no jerky, man. Look at how hot the fire was. The bottle is annihilated. It's perfect, dude. Mm. I'm gonna have one more bite, but it's medium. It's pink. This is a beef